Hi guys, today I have brought you the Moen shower lever handle, and I'm going to be replacing it from my old one, which was just a knob, and this comes with a packaging nice kit, so let's check it out. So here is the adapter and screw and hex key. Make sure to not lose the screw, be careful. And this is the adapter. Now let's remove our old knob, so let's remove the cap that reveals the screw. So take a drill or a screwdriver, whatever you prefer, and unscrew it. And then take the handle, the lever, out of the package. You can see, very nice lever. And take the adapter and then place it in nicely in there. Make sure it's aligned like this. Then take the small screw and screw it in. Make sure not screw it in too much tight, otherwise it will break the adapter. So that's why I recommend using a screwdriver, but it's up to you. So then use the small screw and screw it in from the bottom using the hex key, just like this. This is what the old one looked like, and this is the new one. Super nice finishing, and it upped our shower handle. Pretty awesome. So as you can see, by turning it 90 degrees, there's like a cold one, then in the middle is medium temperature, and then hot. So medium, cold, off. Pretty awesome. Gives a nice finishing. I love it. So I have the Amazon link in the description box below for this, so please check that out. Make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys.